First maps na. Funfair guys, punta po kayo dito sa ICHI 1. Today is Funfair. Funfair guys. Yeah, these are all the activities. Mag-shoot po kayo. Yan. Funfair. ICHI 1, you come here po. You are all welcome. Funfair, Taiwan. Taiwan Church. Dito po sa ICHI 1 Church, Funfair. You are all invited guys. Punta po kayo dito. Funfair sa ICHI 1. Ayan. Yung mga ano po tayo pa games. Ayan o. Magsisipa-sipa rin ng bola. Ayan. Ito naman ay mga stickers. Tawag yan? Tawag yan?
Face paint.
Face paint. Yan. Punta kayo dito guys. Funfair, ICHI 1. Ayan. May pa-face paint po tayo para sa mga matanda at bata. Ayan. Pag-game sa mga chikitin nyo. It's free. Meron din gano'n, no? Sa online. Ayan. Meron din tayo dito pabuo ng puzzle sa mga bata. Ayan, no?
Are you ready, sis?
Ayan, no? Funfair sa mga kids. Ayan. Bubuo sila. Punta nyo po yung mga kids nyo dito guys. Funfair, ICHI 1. Ayan. Ito naman about fishing. Ayan. Let the kids enjoy. Funfair po dito sa ICHI 1. Ayan. May mga pastak po tayo. At pag napuno po yung papel nyo ng stamp, pwede nyo pong ipalit ng price. Yeah, so pupuntahin nyo lang po dito ang inyong mga anak, mga alaga. Ayan guys. This is exciting. playing for the kids or for the parents. Funfair at ICA Taiwan. Yan. The one. Hi, Michelle. Yeah, good to see you. Yeah. What's that? For sticker? Oh, making sticker. Oh, for the keychain. That's good. This also can do the kids?
Yeah.
Can,
You can also join.
ah, okay.
For this other craft, you have 2 cents. And for that one, the rate is also 2 cents.
Ah, okay. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah. Okay, guys. So, you can join here and come in ICH Taiwan.
Yeah.
Invite them. Guys, nag-enjoy ang mga kids, guys. Yeah.
哦，嗱，你踎低就屙底
Ayan.
咁啊屙落個箱度可以。
Ano yung claiming the prize? Nagki-claim na kayo ng prize?
踎低。
Wow, they're claiming the prize now. Guys, this is all the prizes when you are
我跌咗你
playing.
啊！打住咗我哋九
Come
蚊
down to
㗎。
the fun fair. It's free, guys.
打
Ayan, guys. So.
哎呀，跌咗啦！
Max, how are you? How are you?
I need help. I don't know what game to do next.
Ah, dito oh. Dito. Yun. Ayan, you need to, you get to. Ayun, to. Ayan. Ayan, magpipishing daw siya. Si Bunso. Anak, kasi lalagyan mo. Where's yung lalagyan? Max! Max, you need to excuse, Max. That's not good. Also the others. Go to the other side. Uy, doon sa sila. Uy, doon naman sa Sorry.
Grabe naman sila nagbuhay nila.
Si Herbie naman. Puntahan natin si Herbie. Siya pala yung naglalaro sa harapan. Guys, bring your kids. Hi, Mr. Atisit. Good to see you. Yeah. My kids in there, up there.
Oh, your kid.
Okay, yeah.
另外一隻手，另外呢隻手係啦，係啦，
Ayan si Herbie. Naka-yellow. Manalo. Manalo siya. Ito na makakatapos lang kanina, oh. Who win? Ang dumi ng ano mo, lips mo. Puro bread. You won? O, ikaw naman, kumusta ka dyan? What ka? Mag-play kayo sa ibang games. Ayan, guys. Ayan,
要
oh.
避開啲嘢啊，避開嗰隻嘢。
Naka-games sa mga bata.
避開啊！係啊，咁你集中啦。玩啫嘛！
guys. More, punuin mo yan para mas malaki yung price mo. Ah, you want now? Okay, let's go there. Let's go.
好啦，我身你是不是來要企前少少啊？
Ayun pa oh, yun pa oh.
咩名啊？
Asa yun oh? Ayun, ayun. Gold rose.
Already tried that.
Oh, how many of you already?
I want pearls.
Oh, only two. You go to the other line.
I have like six.
Okay guys, papuntahin nyo na po ang inyong mga pamilya o kayo mismo guys. All is welcome. Lahat po ng bata, matanda. O may ngipin o wala, punta po kayo dito. Family fun fair. Dito sa ICHI1. You are all welcome guys.
So they should drop here for you. Okay, which one would you want? You want this one? Okay.
Ayun na lang oh, yung bago. Ayun oh. Ayun mo. Thank you.
I come and get
Thank you. Okay, I will play also. What is that, anak?
It's a cube.
Ah, Rubik Cube? Oh, that's cool. Okay, get more like that and play. Dali.